Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to add a description to your YouTube video. So first things first, you want to scroll up to the top right-hand side of the screen and hit Create. Once you hit Create, you want to hit Upload Video. After you've selected the Upload Video button, you want to make sure that you go over here and hit Select Files. Once you've selected the video file from your videos library, it's going to pop up this next screen here where it's going to have the title, the description, and along with thumbnails or anything else that you might need to add. This is a very crucial part of uploading a video on YouTube. You can keep it as simple as how to XYZ, or you can go in depth and add a how to XYZ, including the niche or specific content that you're posting for your channel. Now, once you've done that and you've put a description in, I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything here so you can see this video is about how to add a description. Make sure to like the video. That's your call to action. And subscribe if you want to see more. So now that you've done that, you can go here to next, and you can add some of these here, add subtitles, add end screens, add cards, hit next. And once you hit next one more time here, it's going to ask you, do you want to make this video public? We'll say yes. And once you hit publish, that video will go live and you now have a description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.